Hello, my people. And today's video, I'm going to go straight to the point. I want to tell you the basic things. When it comes to Igbo language, Nigerian language, of course, you know the basic things you need to know when you want to talk of Nigerian language as Igbo. When you to say Guinea Bafage. Guinea Bafagi, you're talking of the person's name. Guinea Bafagi, you're asking the person, what is your name? Just know that in Igbo, Guinea means what? In Igbo language, Guinea means what? He said, Guinea Bafagi means what is your name? Guinea Kineme, what are you doing? Mind you, Guinea means what? What? So, Guinea ka ineme, ineme is doing. So, you are doing something. Guinea ka ineme, what are you doing? Onye ka Igbo, who are you? Onye ka Igbo, who are you? Irigo nri, have you eaten?